Today's problem is workbook page 56, and I'm going to be doing problem number 14. So first things first, we read the entire problem once through and start coming up with a plan. Mr. Gomez gave $180 to Daniel, Eric, and Adam. Daniel received 3 times as much money as Adam. Eric received half as much as Adam. How much money did Eric receive? Well, already looking at this problem, I can tell by words like 3 times as much and half as much, we're going to be comparing. So we're going to set this up like a comparative model. Let's make Daniel, let's make Eric, and let's make Adam. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by giving them each 1 bar. And let's make them as equal as possible. So there's Adam's, there's Eric's, and there is Daniel's. Okay. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to read one sentence at a time and see what I can do. Mr. Gomez gave $180 to these guys. I think that's the total. So if I put all of these together, it's $180. Okay. Daniel received 3 times as much as Adam. Well, here's Adam. So if I want Daniel to be 3 times as much as Adam, I'm going to need to change Daniel's to 3 bars. 1 times 3 is 3. Next sentence. Eric received half as much as Adam. Ooh. This is a little bit more complicated because of the order they arranged our information in. If Eric is half as much as Adam, then I know the reverse is true. Eric is half as much, Adam is twice as much. So I'm going to change this bar model around. Okay? There are 2 different ways I can do it. What I think the easiest way to do is this is Eric. So I'm going to make Eric is half as much, so I'm going to make Adam twice as much. However, I need to go back to Daniel is 3 times as much as Adam. Well, now Adam is 2 bars. So if Daniel has to be 3 times as many, what's 3 times as many as 2? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, so instead of Daniel getting 3 bars, he needs 6. Let's read this whole thing over to make sure our bar model matches the problem, because as we did it, we had to adjust it. Mr. Gomez gave $180 to Daniel, Eric, and Adam. Good. Daniel received 3 times as much money as Adam. Well, Daniel has 6 boxes. And 6 is 3 times as many as 2, so that works. Eric received half as much as Adam. Well, if Adam is 2, half of 2 is 1. How much money did Eric receive? So this is what we are trying to solve right here. How much did Eric get? Well, I have $180 for everyone. Well, how many bars did we make? 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to split $180 between 9 bars.
Mom was just going to help.
So I'm going to do 180 divided by 9. Why are we dividing? Again, we have the total and the bars are equal, and that's why it's a division problem. 9 goes into 1. Nope. 9 goes into 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract and get 0. Bring down a 0. 9 goes into 0. 0 times. 9 times 0 is 0. Subtract, nothing left. So this 20 goes in every single box. And all the ones in between. Okay. They only are asking us How much money did Eric receive? Eric received $20. However, we could also answer a whole lot of other problems. Like if we wanted to figure out Daniel, it would be 20 times 6, or a total of 120. Or Adam is 20 times 2, which would be 40. Okay, let's write it in a complete sentence. How much money did Eric receive? Eric received $20 from Mr. Gomez. Feel free to ask me any questions next time I see you.
And